Alright guys, this is the first official run of the Bigwig on the ball field. I ran it in the backyard. It was kind of silly. It wasn't like a first run. It was kind of sucky. So I'm going to do it in the sand here. Let's see how the Bigwig goes. It's pretty quick. The steering's better than I thought it would be. Only thing I'm worrying about with this Bigwig is, will dirt get in that funky steering rack? That's what I'm worrying about. I hear a lot of squeaking. Hear that squeaking? A lot of squeaking going on with this car. Definitely need to raise the front up with some spacers because it's really bad. Take it off-road in the grass. Boy, she's squeaking like a beauty. Right? Oh. Oh, what the heck was that? Branched out. Yeah, that's nasty. Listen to this, guys. What the hell? Squeaking like a beauty. We don't like the sand. Wonder how hot the motor will be. Sounds like she's binding up. Alright, in the front, so it's down on the sand. I'm getting a polish job here. So now, when I go home, I'm gonna have to put a lot of spacers under there because that's just staying down. What about the back? Back kind of does too, but holy crap, getting scuffed up. The front anyhow. I hope. Oh, it fills up. Fills up with a lot of dirt. That's not good. That's probably why it's weighing down. I wonder how hot the motor is. Motor's cold, so that's good. With a 16-tooth pinion, 22 miles an hour I got. That's good enough for this. Boy, it's so nasty, that squeak. Anyone else ever have the squeaking problem? Let me know how to cure that. Other than that, it runs good. It's just the squeaky one. Maybe it's the cheap stock kit bearings. They get dirt in them. I don't know. Oh, I never heard a car this bad. It's weird. Let me know what the hell that squeak is, guys. Oh, that's loud. I never heard a car do that before. I had squeaks sometimes, but that's freaking squeaky. Trying to hit this jump here. I think there's a nice one, but I gotta hit it perfect. Nope, missed it. There it is. Squeaky. The big squeak, I should call this one. Oh, that was a nice one. Now I know where to hit the jump with the big squeak. Oh, maybe if I go in reverse, it'll clear something out. That's just sickening. It's really bad. I think it's the front. It's the front doing it. That's weird. Anyone have that problem before? Let me know. It's like I can't even run it. It's so nasty. Jumps like a beauty. I don't even want to be seen driving this thing. Look. Hey kids, look at my RC car. It's neat, isn't it? Oh yeah. Yeah, this is nasty. Other than that, running real good. I gotta check out them front wheels. They're the ones that are doing it. Oh, it's nasty. Oh! Oh! The squeakiest RC car I ever ran in my life. The big squeak. Oh my God. I think that's it. I'm not gonna ride it no more. Guys, hope you enjoyed the video of this beauty. It's a fun one, but I don't know why it's squeaking. I gotta check out them front bearings and stuff up in the front. I think it's only doing it on the front. I don't hear it on the back. Something must be scraping. It's nasty. Maybe sand gets in the steering knuckles and builds up and makes it grind. I don't know. If you have this problem with yours, let me know in the comments below what you did to fix it. And I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys next time at the Big Wig. I don't know about it now with this squeaking. You may not ever see it again. Because it's a nasty one to hear on film. Ugh. Help me guys, help me guys. What's wrong here? I can hear it from a block away. I could hear it from across the field. It's like I got 10 birds inside the Big Wig. Chirp, chirp, chirp. The bird wig. We should call it the bird wig. Let's see how hot the motor is. The motor's good, but the car's not. Alright guys, that's it with the Big Wig. Later.